Giraffe says most PayPal payouts are processed within a few hours, and some users receive their money almost instantly after requesting a withdrawal. So if you are wondering how long Giraffe takes to pay, the short answer is usually a few hours for PayPal. But some withdrawals can take longer depending on verification and the payment method. First, you need to reach the available cash-out minimum. Giraffe currently advertises PayPal withdrawals starting at $0.20. Once you have enough gems, open the rewards section, choose PayPal, enter or confirm your payment details, and submit the withdrawal. For many users, that is the quick part. Giraffe states that most PayPal payouts are processed within a few hours. The company also says that some users receive payouts instantly, so there is no single guaranteed processing time for every account. There is also a verification step that can affect the timing. Giraffe says some Android users may be asked to complete face verification before receiving a payout. This is used to confirm that the rewards came from a real person and to prevent fraudulent activity. If verification is required on your account, complete it before assuming the payment is delayed. The payment method also matters. PayPal is described by Giraffe as its fastest payout option. Gift cards can take longer depending on the specific reward provider. The company says some gift card rewards may take up to 24 hours to arrive. Now, what if your Giraffe payment is still missing? Start by checking the withdrawal status inside the app, and make sure the PayPal email or other payment information is correct. If the payout has not arrived within 7 days, Giraffe specifically recommends contacting support and including your email address or GAID to help them locate the account. There is another reason not to panic immediately. Recent user reviews show that payout times can vary. Some users report receiving PayPal payments within minutes, while others report delayed or failed withdrawals that required support. So the practical expectation is simple. For PayPal, expect anything from near instant processing to a few hours under normal conditions. For gift cards, allow additional time. And if a payout reaches 7 days without arriving, contact Giraffe support. The key points are the $0.20 minimum PayPal cash out, processing that is usually measured in hours, and verification that can affect individual withdrawals. If you are waiting for a payment right now, check your payout details and verification status first. If it still has not arrived after 7 days, contact support. Like this video and subscribe for more Giraffe fixes and payout guides.